one time, you know. Gangsta. Oh na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah, one time, yeah. Baby Chana, baby Chana, olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okuliddwa akabiri gwe koyolesa, manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obubiri mwato buliyo, basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, follow me. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers.
Moves the Crochet.
All right, yes, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everyone who is watching right now. Yes, the previous hairstyle is called Junkie Locks and it is trending right now. So to those ones who have those hair extensions, you can also try it out. And if you want to see the tutorial, it is also there, the Junkie Locks. Okay, so this time around we're going to look at something that is very interesting, and it is called the Afro Spring. Now when I talk about Afro Spring, this means that we are going to be doing a fringe but in form of an afro. Okay, a fringe but in the form of an afro. So most of the times it depends on the type of the cornrow that you do, and I think those ones who don't know how, let me first explain about this. This is our Aunt Ichi, and it is called MDC hair oil. It helps the hair to grow, and again it prevents the dandruff. So those ones who would need one, you can go in the description. It is going to take to the link where you can get these products. So we have all the products, from the shampoo, treatment, detangler, and up to the oil, of course. So to those ones who would want our kit, we have it in small size, the medium, and then the extra large. Okay, so just go right in the description, get that link. It is going to take you through, and you see that. Still, again, to those ones who want to have my online courses, still that link, you can reach you there, and then you get yourself any that you would want to start with to learn. So let's continue and see how we can do this together. Now, as I'm crocheting, you can see I'm just passing it through once. There's no need of locking, and then we are just twisting. This is a normal crochet, like the spring twist. Yes, so this spring twist hair extension. So those ones who have it, you can also use it. The only thing you just have to do, or maybe to be knowing, is to make these small cornrows, because I've seen a lot of people, they have failed, like they really do fail to do these small cornrows, and most of the time they're supposed to be inward cornrows. Yes, they're not supposed to be just like the normal cornrows. No way, they're supposed to be inward cornrows, as you have seen how I was doing them. So it is very simple, and if you try it, trust me, you're going to love it. So as we continue, you can see how I'm trying to achieve this. So let's try just to pack everywhere. The only thing you have to do, you just have to pack the whole cornrows, and if you do that, trust me, it is going also to create that afro look. And you know, when it comes to the afro look, it is when the hair is too packed, like when the hair is packed full on the head, that brings the afro look. Okay, yes. And this hairstyle, when we are through, it just takes 3 hours, and when you're done, or maybe if it can be 2.5 hours, and then there you're done. Yes, so that is the hairstyle. And then again, it can really do last. Of course, it can really last longer. I always recommend this hairstyle to those ones with weak hairline. Yes, those ones with fine hair, or even those ones with broken hairline. Yes, we have a lot of people have broken hairline, so when you choose to do this hairstyle, it can also work for you. We might not, those ones with broken hairline, we might not trim it like the way we're going to do her, and we just leave it somehow somewhere, like maybe long enough, like the way you can see this. Yes, it will always cover your hairline, and by the time you're going to unbraid it, you'll find like at least your hair is growing back. So a lot of people fear to do crochet thinking that it breaks their hair, but it is just the braiding, how they do braid it. Okay, yes, that is the only problem people face. You find some people don't know the type of a cornrow that is supposed to be on a particular crochet extension. So you can see here how it is, but for her, at least her hairline is still there, so we can try to pull the sides. Yes, I explained this about, like most people have been explaining this, when it comes to, like, maybe they say afro hair, there is the way you're supposed to play it, maybe let me say like your mom, and there is the way you're supposed to play it like these young girls. Okay, like also to enjoy these kind of hairstyles. So you can see if we do that, it creates that shape that is looking very nice, and then we start our trimming to bring it out very official, as you're going to be seeing. So to those also are enjoying the video, please don't leave without giving me a like, and if you have any question, you can go right in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle and rate me from 1 to 10. Yes, rate me from 1 to 10 in the comment section. Yes, and if you have a question, you can still ask. I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. But don't go away without giving me a like, because when you do that, even other people can watch this video, and then it can also be helpful to them, mostly those with long forehead and those with broken hairline. Yes, because I know it is very protective, and it does last longer. Let's see the finishing, and trust me, I want you to rate me from 1 to 10. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
He got the touch of a Crochet master, yeah. Oh no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master.